Welcome back. World Kidney Day was held in Madgaon on Friday. A kidney rally was organized to spread awareness among the people to donate kidney for their family members suffering from kidney failure and to promote kidney transplantation.
Youth and senior citizens participated in the kidney rally in Madgaon on Friday. The rally was organized by the Goa Renal Support Association in coordination with the Apollo Hospital. The main motive behind the rally was to spread awareness amongst the people on kidney transplant.
Organized to spread the awareness about kidney disease and more so to make people aware about organ donation, especially kidney donation for their kins and relatives who have got kidney failure. Kidney donation is very safe and kidney transplantation is the best treatment for any patient who has got kidney failure.
Kidney transplantation is the best available treatment option for all the patients with kidney failure. Donors need to be between the ages of 18 to early 70s. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
And now news from sports. Pro League champions Dempo Sports Club thrashed Sporting Club de Goa by half a dozen goals in the first semi-final of the Super Cup on Saturday. The floodlit match at Fatorda was a goal fest as Dempo scored 3 goals in each half. Ranty Martins and Koko Sakibo were the architects of this big win as the Nigerian forwards scored 2 goals each. The second semi-final will be played on Sunday between Salgaocar Sports Club and Churchill Brothers.
Dempo Sports Club, who topped the Kingfisher GFA Pro League, took on 4th place Sporting Club de Goa in Saturday's knockout contest for Super Cup. It was expected to be a tight affair, but Dempo quickly turned the match into a one-sided contest, scoring 3 goals between 13th and 18th minute of the first half. The reigning I-League leaders scored another 3 in the second half and stormed into the finals. A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Salgaocar Sports Club put a stop to GCA's good run, defeating the academy side by 6 wickets. Sagun Kamath and Vishal Singh were the batting heroes for Salgaocar. The 5-team Goa Professional League has become interesting with 3 teams tied on 9 points at the top of the table. Sarvodaya are on 6 points while Dempo Cricket Club finally opened their account and won the match on Saturday.
GCA Academy stars were coming into this match on a run of 3 straight wins in the GPL 3. Keenan Vaz top scored for GCA stars and catapulted his side to 147 for 8 in 20 overs. In reply, Salgaocar went about their chase in a sedate manner. Sagun Kamath held fort while he lost his opening partner Vaibhav Naik. Rupesh Savankar then gave able support to Sagun Kamath. Sagun Kamath too hit some delightful shots. Rupesh was dismissed for 30, but Vishal Singh came into bat and started pulling the match away from GCA. Sagun Kamath was run out for a well-made 42 in this fashion. The southpaw back amongst the runs after returning from injury in style. But Vishal Singh carried on and scored a well-made 60 not out, started with 3 boundaries and half a dozen sixes. Wickets, however, continued to fall at the other end. Salgaocar got to the target of 148 in style. Vishal Singh quite fittingly hitting the winning runs in the 19th over. Vishal was awarded the Man of the Match award. In the first match of the day, Dempo finally won in the Goa Professional League. Vikas Singh was awarded the Man of the Match for his knock of 48 runs. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Porvoori.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.